Hey girlies! Today I decided to reset my life for 24 hours and actually try to live like that girl. No overthinking, no waiting for motivation, just small habits one day and a fresh start. Let's see if this actually changes anything. I started my morning without touching my phone, which honestly felt harder than I expected. Instead, I made my bed, drank some water, and gave myself a slow, calm start. It's such a small thing, but it already made me feel more in control of my day. I feel like you can't reset your life if your environment feels messy. So I decided to reset my space first. Cleaning isn't fun, but it makes everything feel lighter. And somehow, when your space is clean, your mind feels clearer too. Instead of scrolling for hours, I wanted to actually focus on something that matters. So I wrote down a few goals and spent some time working on them. No pressure, just progress. And honestly, it felt really good. A real reset isn't just about being productive, it's also about taking care of yourself. So I slowed down and gave myself a little self-care moment, because you deserve to feel good while becoming better. This didn't magically change my life in one day, but it changed how I felt. I felt calmer, more focused, more in control, and I think that's what becoming her really is. Not perfection, just choosing better habits, one day at a time. If you needed a sign to reset your life, this is it. Comment, reset if you're starting over, and subscribe for more girl lifestyle and glow up content. Welcome to Level Up Lovely.